Do you know that your thumbnail is the first thing that people see when they click on your video? If it is catchy and attractive, it will determine whether they will go ahead to watch that video or whether they will just scroll past it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Joy, and this channel is about tips, tricks, and strategies of how you can grow your YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create catchy thumbnail for your videos so that when you upload them to your channel, when they see it, they'll go ahead to click on that video and check what the video is all about. They won't just scroll past it. Now, all you need to create it is Canva. You need the Canva app on your phone. I'm going to be showing you right now, step by step, how you can do it even if you are a beginner. This video is actually for beginners and it is very, very easy to do. All right, go with me now. Let's go to Canva. When you open the Canva app, and then where you have this search template, you type in what you want, thumbnail, and you click enter. So these are different thumbnails templates that you can work with. Okay, there are some that are free, like these ones, and then there are some that you need to pay for, like this one with the crown. This is not free. So once you see the one that appeals to you or the one you want to use, then you can begin to edit. So assuming you want to use this one, just click on it and then it opens up. So make sure you have internet when you are doing this. So we are going to be editing this. So you can start with the title or the background picture, or you can start from anywhere. So let's start with the picture. So once you click on the picture there, you see, look down here, you see replace. So you click on replace, it will take you straight to your picture gallery, and then you select the picture that you want to use. Assume you want to use this. Okay, so the next thing is then you can reduce it. You can reduce the size. You can reduce it, you see, and put it back. And then you can also change the title. So once you click on what you want to change, you click edit. So assuming let's just say how to create thumbnail. You see, and then you can also reduce the font size. Look down here, you see where you can reduce the font size. You can reduce the font size. Also, you can also change the arrangement of the font size, the format. Look at this bold B, click on it. This is the format that it is right now. So if you want it to be centralized, click this. You see it has become centralized. And then you can also, anything you don't want that is there, you can just simply delete it. Anything you don't want, you can just delete. Once you click on it, you see this button. This is that look like a basket. To delete it. Then you can also change the picture. Sorry, the color. Look at the overall color. Right now it's on black. Click on that. See, it has changed to, so let's change it to something else. It's not in blue. So this is where you change your color. Then you can also change this font color. Let's say to black or to white, or to, you can change it to anything you want. This Canva, you can make it bold, you can increase the size. This other background color, you can decide to change it. You see, so you just edit it generally to what you want. So once you are satisfied with what you want, if you look up here, you see this arrow that is pointing down, that is download. You click on it, you say save as image. Now it's preparing your design. It is saved into your gallery already, so it's ready to use. So it's as simple as that. So let me know in the comment section if you will be giving it a try. It's very easy. This is Grow on YouTube with Joy. And that is it. You just created your first channel thumbnail. If you found this helpful, why not hit on that subscribe button right now for more tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel with joy. And also, don't forget to give me a like and share this video so that others can get to learn as well. I'll catch you again in another video. Bye.